Crossroad number 4. To uphold truth or to spread lies. We read from the prophet Isaiah in the first reading on the Saturday after Ash Wednesday. Thus says the Lord, if you remove from your midst oppression, false accusation, and malicious speech, if you bestow your bread on the hungry and satisfy the afflicted, then light shall rise for you in the darkness, and the gloom shall become for you like midday. Crossroad number 4. Shall we speak the truth or shall we spread lies? False accusation and malicious speech, disinformation, misinformation in social media, or shall we speak the truth and defend the truth at all costs? This crossroad is so important nowadays in our life in the 21st century, especially in the age of social media. Napakarami po sa paligid natin ang fake news, malicious speech, misinformation, and disinformation. Marami po na naririnig tayo ng mga impormasyon at mga balita na sa buong akala mo ay totoo. Pero sa katotohanan at sa likod nito ay hindi pala. They are but propaganda, trying to push their own agenda. The crossroad that we must face in our modern life is, shall we believe in the fake news or shall we believe in the truth of the gospel? Mahirap po ang crossroad na ito, kaya dapat tayo maging mapanuri. We need to be critical, we need always to be aware. Sabi po nga nila, think before you click, because many times we can spread misinformation and fake news without intending it. And we are destroying people's reputation and people's lives because we did not think first before clicking anything, before sharing anything, especially in our social media accounts. The fourth crossroad that we must face in the season of Lent. Shall you uphold the truth and spread what is true, or shall you pushing for lies all around us, especially in the context of the elections? Marami po ay kumakalat ang mga hindi naman magandang balita o hindi naman mga totoo. Kanino tayo papanig? Ano ang ating isusulong? Shall we be for the truth or shall we always be fooled by the lies around us?